Hi, this is Steve again from Auto Hauler Supply, and we just got our second truckload of ramps in. Right here, these are the 94-inch ones we're selling for $5.75 a pair, including shipping. We got quite a few of these. He's got the hook top end. These are 5,000 pound per axle, 8,500 pound total capacity with a knife cut foot. These are real nice ramps. We've been selling them for years and years, and now we finally got a goodly amount to sell to you. Over here, we got the Jacqueline Special. These are 5,000 pound per axle tri-beams with the, he's got, if I can get down here, he's got the tube for the pin on there. This is kind of a rare ramp, and hopefully they also shipped up some pins. He's got the knife cut foot too. So we've got these in stock. I think these are, what are these? Are these 5 or 6?
Look like 6 footers to me.
There's Guna.
But see here what we got.
Over here we got the 24,000 pound modular ramp set. Jacqueline's going to be schooling us on how to assemble this thing together. This is a 20-foot, 24,000 pound per axle ramp system for flatbed, and it's also got the complete load leveler system for step decks, so that you can, you know, convert your step deck into one continuous level. Over here are the Bobcat ramps. These right here are 10,000 pound per axle. You got the hook top end. And then moving right along, there's more of the ramps that we got for $5.75 a pair. More of the ramps we got for $5.75 a pair. More ramps for $5.75 a pair. You've got your Cottrell style ramps here. Got your low profile ramps for $6.25 a pair. More low profile 94-inch 625 a pair ramps. These are if you want to slide them up into your Take 3. And we got some more ramps to fit Cottrell. And down here in the bottom, you can see them, they're just a little bit longer and wider, are the ramps to fit Boyson. We also have a leak in our warehouse roof that needs to be fixed. And over here, I think you've got some, I think these are either 5 or 6 foot cooktop ramps. And I apologize, I don't have the price for those on top of my head. I think they're right around $450, $475 a pair, including shipping. So anyway, just want to give you an update. Give us a call, 866-855-4285. Visit us at autohaulersupply.com.